So Megix10 is a 10-minute color line. It is from Italy. It's a bigger tube, so you are saving money there. All the hair color is done in 10 minutes. Okay, that is remarkable because normal colors take about 30 to 45 minutes. So that's a no-brainer right there. But what I really, really love is the way that the hair feels. After I do the tint on the roots, as well as the fix on the ends, which is a demi-permanent that you would pull through the ends, the hair is actually improved. The fact that you can carry one color and then use different developers, so I can make my permanent hair color line into a demi, I think that's remarkable. So Megix really does have it all, and so I really don't have to stock more than one color line in my locker. It gives me my glossing, my demis, my gray coverage, my blondes, my highlights, my bleaches, all in one tube with the 5 developers. It develops in 10 minutes. I'm on time. It's high end. I save money. So this is the only thing that I reach for every time.